What the food? What the heck? What is this heck?
5 Minute Crafts is getting crazy. This is getting weird now. I don't know if I like it.
I don't know neither.
Why is there a candle there? What was the point?
I don't know.
Okay, we're cutting off this weird sock that we made. Looks like a Ninja Turtle foot.
Yes.
Right?
But what is the candle about? Do you solve her?
I'm afraid. I don't know. My fight or flight senses are tingling right now.
Okay, they actually, I don't know.
My flint senses are tingling. I don't like this at all. I want mama. Not that way. Okay, so now we have, a lizard.
Lizard for what? Any guesses? What it could be?
I'm guessing it's incorporated somehow into this Ninja Turtle foot. That's my guess. Looks like we got some foot. We're gonna make a shoe, perhaps?
Of course it's gonna be,
Oh, I love kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. Whoa, that doesn't look stable.
Yeah, but remember, there is a bolt inside.
True, there is a bolt inside.
Gonna be kind of make it hard. But
we got some hot glue, all right.
Wow,
that looks freaking ugly. I don't know about you, but what the hell is that? Like, I don't.
It's a fashion.
Remember, it's fashion. It's just fat. You can't judge fashion, and the gold leaf, of course. This is like
this looks
what they do at restaurants to make things like $100 more. They just add gold leaf.
Yeah.
They're like, here, have a cappuccino, $5 with gold leaf, $50.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is butt ugly. All right. Next, oh boy, what is happening here? Cutting off some clothes.
And
wet egg tray, no. Okay. What the heck is happening? I'm not mad.
What is this?
I'm just confused. Sheesh. All right.
Holy moly.
Really crazy.
Kind of weird, yeah. Oh boy.
Okay, we're cleaning this off.
No way. No way. What is this tool about?
Okay, we got some nice... What the heck is happening?
I don't know. Broom? It's like a Tron or something. And she got a...
All right, we got ice cream sticks to cover up these holes. That's what I do every time there's a hole in my house. Just get an ice cream stick, cover it up. That's what you do.
Yeah. Yes.
This is confusing me so much.
So
far, it looks like a butt throne. This is just a booty throne.
It's a personal throne, butt throne, but which is uncomfortable. You need to always keep one position on it, right? You can change.
That's true. Yeah, if you move even slightly, your booty is in the wrong way. I want a booty throne. I like how it has literally the shape of the butt cheeks. So weird.
Oh, you need just a wet egg
booty
tray.
This is an interesting use of that tool. What?
Okay.
What the fudge? All right.
So, what
do they feed that thing? All right, so we have some nice paint jobs going on now.
Sorry, I'm speechless.
Okay, so
my brain melting.
Guys, let us know. Do you want your own personalized booty throne?
Yeah.
I kind of want one. I think it's cool. I think it's a flex on your friends. Your friends come over to your house, you're like, yeah. There's your seat on the boring couch. I'm gonna sit here on my booty throne.
Oh, there's another girl.
Wow.
Not the original girl.
No, yeah. So anyone's booty can sit on that booty throne. Nice.
I guess so.
Got some silicone on the legs. This looks uncomfortable. All right.
Okay.
Been there, done that. You know what I'm talking about? All right. So we're doing that on both legs.
Okay.
That looks super comfortable. Love this. Love this for her. Good. Of course, we got to get that foot action in there.
So, still confused.
All right, we got leggy leg. We're making a nice mold of the leg.
So, what is the purpose?
Maybe a statue of someone?
Yeah.
Or they're gonna use it as a literal leg for like a table or something. Would be funny.
For the table?
It could be a funny table. Imagine a
Actually,
table
yeah.
with legs. What did I say? What did I say?
I expected.
That is the worst table
Wow.
I have ever seen.
Wow.
I love it. I kind of like it actually.
Actually, not bad.
Yeah, I
Actually,
mess with it,
looks nice enough.
This is so strange. Who signs up for this? Like, how do you ask someone? Is it alright if I just like make furniture out of your body? Is it okay? Like that would be like,
totally not okay.
I'm gonna be not okay with that, actually, sir.
Just in case if you're both constructor or who live together. in
Yeah,
one-
maybe if you're
Yes.
artists. That's the
Yeah.
only way I could see this not being that weird. It's still weird, but not that weird.
Can you imagine some stranger come to you? I want to make some.
I just want to make furniture from your legs.
What?
That's a red flag for me.
Yeah.
Or a beige flag. It's like,
Run away.
Whatever.
Whatever.
I'm just kidding. This is how mannequins must be made.
Yeah, but this is too perfect.
What about her butt?
What?
You said butt.
But it doesn't look. I mean, no
That's
way.
cool.
No, that's cool. But no way they achieved this shape out of that
Mold?
with that mold.
Oh, really?
It's so perfect.
That's true. Oh, well, that's a very nice compliment to the lady. It's so perfect. All right. So,
No.
we have... What? I got you. All right. So plastic bottle over the areas. Over the areas.
Over. Okay.
Okay, more plastic. Making molds here.
So to get transparent.
Looks kind of cool. It looks like battle armor. Looks like
Yeah.
I'm about to be a mage in Skyrim.
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah.
What? No.
Okay, so we're making this. Chop it up.
So.
Okay, gold leaf.
It's,
Gold leaf, just so-
yeah, it could save every craft.
Exactly.
Just add
Soup it up with
gold.
some nice gold leaf. Got a problem in your life? Gold leaf. Got some taxes you haven't filed in a few years?
Gold leaf.
Got a girlfriend who just won't message you back because now she says you're her ex? Gold leaf.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
That's an interesting wow, not over the eye. Why over the eyes?
Wow, I'm worried about her hair.
Yeah.
On the face and.
I think
the
she has a
eyebrow
bald
and-
cap on though.
Anyway,
Yeah.
but no.
I wonder if anyone's actually like, you know, passed
What?
away not with this on because they couldn't breathe or something.
But they leave this 2 holes for her.
I know, but
nose,
think about how many times your nose gets stuffed.
That's my
Right?
big fear in such a thing.
Yeah, like your nose
when
starts
you
getting
cover
stuffed.
and you leave only nose,
Mhm.
but sometimes no way.
That is a perfect mold of face. Wow.
this
Pretty good. Pretty good.
pretty dang good.
Pretty dang good. All right.
All
Gotcha.
right.
Okay. So we open this up. Say hello to the beautiful face.
Look at this.
Slap it together. Yeah, it freaked me out when I found out that there's like literal like cracks like that on your skull. They're just pressed together really hard. There are like 3 cracks on your skull.
Yeah, sure. I know.
So creepy. I don't like that.
Oh, creepy. Recently, I saw the video when one dude, the game streamer, who started to shave his hand.
Yeah.
And there is the gap
Yeah.
for headphones.
That's so crazy.
And I still have doubts that it could be a fake, but there is a theory about that the gamers can get another shape of hers.
No way. I doubt that.
So
Like,
I doubt it as
Because
well. But
your head is only if you were a baby and you started doing that, because that's when your head's soft. But once it hardens, it doesn't change shape like that unless it's under crazy pressure. But like headphones, I can't imagine having that much pressure on your head.
But sometimes when I wear them, I feel pain here.
Really?
You didn't?
No,
No.
I don't wear them that often. But
So
I'm not a gamer like that.
I'm
I
not a
used to be
gamer as well. But anyway.
But I like single player games, so I don't need headphones because I'm lonely and I don't have any friends.
No, don't play it.
I'm just kidding. I do have friends.
We're your friends.
Yes. My only friend. Comment down below if you'll be my friend. All right. So hinge on this. We screw it in.
So
Ah.
it's a lamp.
That is kind of scary and cool at the same time.
Yeah, the same feeling. It's actually nice copy of her face.
Yeah, it's a really
literally
perfect copy.
Copy-paste.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. I would give that like 9 out of 10 actually. That's super cool
That's
and creepy.
sick. That's sick.
If I were like a serial killer, that would 100% be in my house.
So what do I
If
say
you
about
come
the
to your
crime?
house, yeah. If you go to someone's house and that is in their living room, get out of their house. All right.
Yeah.
And give us more
reactions.
right now.
Please.